This is actually the fourth time I am reinstalling this hair. That's how good this hair is. And I've had this hair for over 2 years now, if I'm not mistaken. So, I mean, you can bet on that. Only good hair can perform like that. Anyways, enough of the introduction. I decided to get my hair done on this day because, I mean, getting my hair done just makes my life easier, especially when I'm working. By the way, you guys, just in case you're hearing noises or other voices, I am in a public place, so I thought to make good use of this time, hence why I decided to do this voiceover. I I apologize in advance just in case of extra noises, okay? So I started off with the back like I always do, but this time, yeah, I know for sure. I think I've also mentioned on here that when you see me do braids, just know that they are going to be tiny. That might change sometimes, okay? That might change sometimes because I already have an idea of what else to do, but I don't think they're going to be this small. I digress. So I started off with the back, and this is how tiny I decided to, braid this hair out. And I've gone this far already. Wow, the weather today, I don't understand. It is hot, which I love, and that's why I'm sitting under the sun, but it's windy. Oh my gosh. Anywho's, so this is how much I have done so far, and I just continued, doing same method or same pattern until I got to the end of it basically. So you see that I did from the beginning, from the root, I did like a tiny braid, and then when I get before I get to the ends, then I will twist it out. And then I also left the ends because I wanted it to give me that natural look. Like by the time I'm done, it will look more natural or more realistic, like real hair, if you guys get what I mean. That was the reason for leaving the ends like that. So I've gotten to the front part, and another thing that takes time. Yeah, I would tell you this one took time. I remember someone commented on the um I think like a snippet of this same hairstyle that I posted on, I think is on YouTube. The person was like, this must have taken so much time. I'm like, yeah, it did, okay, but it was worth it. You get another thing I had in mind while doing this hairstyle was that I want a bob hairstyle, specifically shoulder length, and that's exactly what I got. Oh, by the way, I am home now, and I believe you guys can tell because it's a bit quiet, right? Okay, so now I'm just picking the front part. This part was a bit difficult because the hair on this front part is a bit shorter, but I got it. I mean, I picked it. So this is how tiny this hair looks, you guys. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you know. But the end result is the thing, is the tea. I mean, take a look at that now. So I just went ahead and do as much as possible off camera. And this is the last part, which I'm going to be showing you guys the last braid. Yeah, this one, yeah, in the voice of Auntie Shafi Bello, Abi Bello, Shafi Bello, yeah, the Nigerian actress. Yeah, you know, this is me digress. Oh gosh, digressing. We're not going to hear English, Taya. But anyways, I digress. So I'm done. This is the last braid, you guys. Yes. So once I'm done, I'm just going to fluff the hair out, open it up, flaunt it, play with it, mesmerize with it. I mean, basically, do the thing I am supposed to do. I needed to do to give you guys, or rather, show you guys the beauty of this hairstyle. I mean, take a look at these braids now, so tiny but so gorgeous. So I think after this I split the hair in two. Not really. I just parted it at the middle, right? Yeah, right. So I can give it a good trim as I'm doing right now. So now I'm trying to get the bob shape, and I also give it like what's this called again? Oh, what's the word again now? Feather, not feather. Oh god, layer. My god, layering. Yeah, I also give it layering. And voila, this is what it looks like after trimming. So now I'm just going to try to water the hair down as much as possible. You guys, I don't know what happened. The audios from now till the end, I lost it. I don't know how that happened, but I just have to do another. So what I was trying to explain to you guys is now that I'm done with the trimming and braiding, so all I need to do is to wet the hair, and all I have in the spray bottle was just water, nothing more. But to seal in the moisture, I added a bit of oil, so the hair doesn't dry up immediately. So that was it, you guys. This is basically that's me showing you that. I added a not generously like that because I didn't want the hair to feel heavy because this oil is heavy. Okay, so once I was done applying that oil on the hair, I crunched the hair to define the coils a little bit more, and then also to add volume if that makes sense. And this is what it looks like, you guys. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. I mean, do you see that, you guys? Can you see that? Yeah. Yes, that's it. So by the time I'm done, yeah, doing what I'm doing right here, I just went ahead and got ready. And this is it. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thought in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay beautiful and be blessed. Bye, y'all.